Is your iPad 7th Gen touchscreen unresponsive and not working on iPadOS 18? We're fixing it now. First, force restart, press volume up, then volume down, then hold power until the Apple logo. This clears glitches, often restoring touch. If that doesn't work for your unresponsive iPad 7th Gen, Method 2 checks accessibility settings. Open iPad settings, go to accessibility, then touch. Disable assistive touch and review accommodations. These can interfere. Still stuck? An outdated iPadOS 18 version causes issues. Method 3. Install pending software updates via settings, general source software update. Keep your system current to prevent bugs. Finally, a settings reset is crucial. Backup data, then settings, a general transfer or reset iPad, select reset all settings. This clears configurations without deleting personal files, resolving deeper conflicts. Your touchscreen should now be fully functional.